We tested dozens and dozens of smartphones over the past year, and this list has the best camera phones that you can buy in 2026. Nearly all phones can take a decent photo. But for consistently great images, even in low-light settings, you need a phone with a top camera setup. For example, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Pixel 10 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro all have amazing cameras with features that even professional photographers can appreciate. Every phone on this list includes pro-level tools for shooting raw images, recording log video, and manually controlling camera settings. All of the products featured in this video are listed in the description below. For more details and information, visit our website, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5 on our list, OnePlus 13. This flagship phone from OnePlus features an impressive array of specs that make it a worthy contender for the likes of Apple, Samsung, and Google. And it does this at a significantly lower starting price of $899. It has everything you would expect from a high-end phone with AI features, a generous 6.82-inch screen, sturdy battery life, and of course, a capable triple-lens rear camera setup. There is a 23mm wide-angle, a 15mm ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 73mm tri-prism lens that provides approximately 3x optical zoom. All three lenses have a 50-megapixel sensor, however. Thanks to the firm's continuing partnership with Hasselblad, there's a 1x, 2x, and 3x portrait mode that emulates the look from Hasselblad camera lenses. You can record up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, but keep in mind the space these videos will occupy. There's also a 4K 60 frames per second option, and of course, slow-mo at 1080p 240 frames per second. Thanks to a dual exposure algorithm that merges a regular and a long exposure shot, photos are sharp with very minimal motion blur. This makes the OnePlus 13 ideal for shooting sports, action, and fast-moving subjects. Combine this with the burst function in the dedicated action mode, and you won't miss a shot. Number 4. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The Google Pixel series has long been a choice for those who put the photography features before everything else. The Google Pixel 10 Pro continues that tradition with improvements being made to the cameras, as well as shooting features, with enhanced zoom as well, thanks to additional AI improvements. There's a great triple camera setup on the back with an ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a main camera with optical image stabilization, and a 5x telephoto camera, also with OIS. The phone also provides a 100x ProRes zoom, stunning 50-megapixel images, and super steady videos in 8K. There's also a 42-megapixel great selfie camera. Unbelievable camera quality, impeccable design, and the next-gen Google Tensor G5 chip. 16 GB powerful RAM and a 5,200 mAh battery gives you 24-plus-hour battery life. Pixel 10 Pro XL is built, durable aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for scratch and drop resistance. The 6.8-inch Super Actua display, 3,300 nit peak brightness is easy on the eyes, even in direct sunlight. Number 3. Xiaomi 15. Powerful Leica imaging, blister-fast Snapdragon performance, and a stunning ultra-bright display come together in the Xiaomi 15 to deliver a flagship experience you feel instantly in every use. It comes with two variants, 512 and 256 storage. You get a 50-megapixel Leica triple camera system built to elevate your photography skills, giving you richer colors, sharper detail, and impressive low-light clarity. Dual telephoto and ultra-wide lenses let you capture creative angles effortlessly, while the 32-megapixel front camera ensures your portraits stay crisp and natural. You benefit from pro-level tools without needing technical expertise. Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset brings high-end speed, smoother gaming, and quicker response times, helping you multitask confidently. Adaptive 120 Hz AMOLED display boosts your viewing experience with vibrant colors, deep contrast, and peak brightness of up to 3,200 nits. Perfect when outdoors. Battery life supports long days, almost 20 hours, with a 5,200 mAh battery giving you more streaming, shooting, and exploring without constant charging. Ultrasonic fingerprint unlock, AI face recognition, and Xiaomi's Ice Loop cooling system all work together to make performance feel consistently smooth. You'll benefit from this review by understanding how each feature translates into real-life value, whether you're a creator, traveler, or everyday user. Your buying decision becomes easier as you see exactly how Xiaomi 15 enhances convenience, creativity, and overall mobile experience. Number 2. iPhone 17 Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Pro series represents Apple's most capable camera phone push to date. At 6.9 inches for the Pro Max, the screen still delivers 120 Hz ProMotion and now peaks at around 3000 nits with an anti-reflective coating, making it easier to use outdoors. Inside, the A19 Pro chip is paired with a vapor chamber cooling system to sustain high performance and long battery life, even under heavy use. The camera system is the headline upgrade. All 3 rear lenses are now 48-megapixel sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. The telephoto now supports 4 times optical zoom and up to 8 times hybrid. In terms of design, Apple switches back to an aluminum unibody instead of titanium, allowing for bold new finishes and a full-width camera plateau. The phone is slightly larger than last year's model, but that seems part of the trade-off for the bigger camera and battery upgrades. For users who prioritize photography, especially zoom and content creation, this is arguably the most complete iPhone yet. The improvements across screen brightness, camera versatility, battery life, and performance feel like a proper pro step-up. Number 1. I have Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a refinement of last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was an amazing phone. The S25 Ultra is lighter and more comfortable to hold compared to the S24 Ultra. It seems to have everything in terms of features: a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 12 GB of RAM, a 5000 mAh battery, 2 telephoto cameras, a stylus, and the true star of the phone, its 6.9-inch screen. It's one of the best phones you can currently buy, with a new ultra-wide camera and updated screen. The main camera has the same headline-grabbing 200-megapixel sensor that uses pixel binning technology as its predecessor. S25 is coming with 3 variants: 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB. That's why this is my favorite camera phone for influencers and folks who take photos to share. The Galaxy S25 Ultra adds drama and vibrance to your photos without sacrificing quality. If you're a stickler for accuracy, go for the iPhone. But if you want to impress, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the camera phone for you.